I rang dó bhí tauchaí chuir agus bhío idir hácheann na meá. Sit ag bon an tabla bhí géircháig an dáir le bua. Bua beidir a thurach slánaid níos déanaí sa bhliain. Má darmat donnacha a haman trátrachta.
Tá Sean Kelly a cuman chuhín i linse lenacht leis sa gól agus Fintan Bradley dul th bar go bhil na parke. Maidir le na tosathe a bert lachnéil Cormac O'Doherty sé Cassidy contrúltucht má antitúd na deisina. Lennon Park Mooney as Turin, let's go the way agus tá Owen Ryan is Bella Hownish Taught of Kama. Cormac Phillips Crane on a puck in the Sierra, agus Gary Scahal's own Delaney, she didn't toss a talk contour to Manchi Jude and Jesh. Ishni Lechliff of Bucha Carter, Jovi Coscory Mayo, and Derek Cleffa, Hattie the Kid Can, agus and Dochliffe a cut, Derry Martian, Harvard Tout of Show, Benjamin Vier, Fanach Sloan, Win the Ocean, Ears of Chen, or Cormac Phillips, Tashagama, Derek Can. Cúla siar nó Turin is an dearg bhíá ar Hurling agus tála cúpla bliain nar bhfuil siad craobh na glob san grád idir bheanach. Sure the non finish, pass just a shot the spos. Sure the column right, and right to Casamach, tá sí builte or the column, agus tá sí builte go Green again. Score das. Cús maith my own job. There non in shot. Come to bit unricked chugs this is come to have pellet each ach. Oh, Shervishi Maigh Iomána again though on the Hama. On the lane in this that's going on the goalie agus good challenge near chin agus ash and source scores. Scores fire tough like again yo. The Chatham Rish pass Cormac. Father Darren McGilligan the third free agus Darren McGilligan agus on Dara scoring the Chéile fort ag Dara. Fork. Níos fear mar tá Lord Park and Ella Cormac mar sinna and sure níl to bailach done is túis gart the bhín chuteile go tír. Now on Collins the chin on long colleagues on Collins the third free ash and on scoring on Collins is Toshi Corham. We all chat the reach. Oisin Greeley and Johnish, Oisin, Shin Irid Fishnu Lake, Oisin, Agus Shin Irid Green. Who's going to score in the hard ball? It's a different shot. That's Jaskar, Father le Cormac O'Doherty, tá fair. Lachnéil le cynna sulur goal as Cormac O'Doherty go hauling. Caidin tan tainne bach Joes, Begatá atra. First bar Began is in the courtory for láthar. Pass Jaskar right. Nach Jasper in the Fintan Bradley sin, which is in our trust on. Tá sin our trust on. Few got Brandon goal or score. Oh, pass just the Laura shot. She bugging in order. Sean chance for her thrust to reach. Pass just chance for goal. But Cackmar goal like a stone goal. Like Shea Cassidy on Head goal. Like a score take a Warren Ball. Nach Jasper of pass all over Leroy thrust to free row. Agus in slash Kemberg. Agus Botze. I think they're coloration-ish. So she'd quickly Kane. Just Cormac O'Doherty. Can more or the fits of nose. Fought go oh bunch of trust on agus an cold fought Shea Cassidy. Tan Dara cold fought Beganin gun all is a ganchin. The Cormac Kincha dull. I think you're a cooling all. Wulchin trust on agus Shea Cassidy not get rush as the Garnog. Scoma. Brunish or Wayo. Kachamasa Hustle Shield. Achurtí of Tronish. Colin right. Well, I call him right. Enright the third free. Butchers and Dave Danish and scored just a Colin right. When he's moved just in a tastal wall. What's it? Brew Marchin. Oh, let's go it. Andrew, let's go it. Firo. Nishkei after Chelev. Chelev watching Michael Lynch. Michael Lynch is a correct. Fintan Bradley, you can score Fatik Fintan Bradley over Wahajinik Derry, but Z Halway and a Firo. It's not cool, it has to be over without it. We're trying to pass Cormac. Go Cormac Phillips the third free. Cormac Phillips are at fast on Tochtu Cooley to score and Cormac and Shaw on to Spontus. And you mark Maigh again this is that. Blantanam Kinnell Titchers Mayo and Shaw. Titchers of it. Daglon Foley initial third free. The Maigh Daglon August and Ishta Cooley the Daglon Gama. Over a little agenda. Sean chances can more Durnach. With Garga here in the Himmer and Shop. She fought a custom Doire Rev, chance of Mayo better cool. I can't put the block I'll take the custom Doire. We don't Jivan. Either Chakta Mach and Trin. As the don't fake again right over both Slachter or Derry, Derry and Shaw.
Out here 2 weeks ago against Kerry, we let ourselves down a bagful. Just didn't get at it. Thought we were very good last week for passages over in Laois with a man down, but today I thought our intensity levels were very, very good.
We knew coming here today Mayo was going to come with a massive fight, a great result for them last week against London. We knew how much today mattered to us in terms of staying in the division, and it was a tough game, but I think we showed a wee bit of class, finished with 225, a good return and a good win.
It's absolutely massive. I think whoever lost here today, it's going to be a struggle now to stay up. If you have 2 points on the board, at least then you've got a chance. It's nearly a bit like two leagues in one league. The top 3 teams, I think Kerry, Westmeath and Laois will fight it out for the top, and the rest of us will probably fight it out for the bottom. It's a very good league, but it is serious competitive.
Tough few weeks on the road there, so the break's coming at a good time, and Meath's going to be a massive challenge. We've had great battles with them the last few years, but similar to today, it's one that we really need to win. So it'll be back on the training pitch, getting our standards up and driving it on, because today's a good result, but we know we can get better.